Hello guys, introduce my name is Lamdani Tambubolon. My major is Bachelor in Telecommunication Engineering. I'm here as a computer basic lab assistant. This video contains an explanation of searching methods. Search module has two methods, where the first method is sequential search and the second method is binary search. I will explain the first methods is sequential search. Okay guys, this video is the first method, sequential search. Nah, make coding as simple as mathematics. Okay, next. Definition. Sequential search is a method of searching carried out in sequence from the first data to find the data that is looking for. Data is compared one at a time from the beginning until the data is found or not found. For example, there is available array A. The amount of data are 5 in 0 index, or the first data is 6. The first index or the second data is 7. The second index or the third data is 3. The third index or the fourth data is 9. And the fourth index, the fifth data is 1. Okay. The data south. The data south is 3. We know 3 in second index or the third data. So the program will check the data at its index one by one, and the data will be found at the second index or the third data. This video is C program examples. Nah, C program examples of sequential search. Okay, the amount of data, I type 5. The value of the first data or 0 index is, I give 21. For the second data or the first index is, I give the value 67. For the third data or the second index, I give 45. For the fourth data or the third index, I give 89. And the last, for the fifth data or fourth index, I give 75. Okay, search data. I type 89. So this program will be print to us data found in index 3 or in the fourth data.
Hi everyone, my name is Niputara Kasmardani and you can call me Eka with Code Assistant in Laboratory, aka or Eka. Okay, I will start to present to all of you about binary search in searching module. Okay, let's start. Okay, we will start to present this binary search. Make coding as simple as mathematics. Okay, what is binary search? The comprehensiveness. Binary search is one of the searching methods in C program, and this method will search data when the data is sequenced. And then, what is the difference about binary search and sequential search? The difference between these two method of searching is file of searching. Sequential searching search the data one by one, but binary have their own method. The first method is, in binary search, we will know of 3 components. That is low, mid, and height. Low is 1, height is n, and mid is low plus height div 2. Okay, the second method is, if there is n data on an array A, the data will compare to AMIT. There are two ways to source data using AMIT depending on how to sequence it. Okay, first, if we use source ascending. If AMIT data lower than the wanted data, then the search area will be coordinated. Log is MIT plus 1. And then if AMIT higher than the wanted data, then the search area will be coordinated. Height is MIT minus 1. Okay, if we use source descending. If AMIT higher than the wanted data, then search area will be coordinated and log is MIT plus 1. But the opponent is if AMIT data lower than the wanted data in the search area will be coordinated. Height is MIT minus 1. Okay, I will show you the program of binary search. Okay, now I will show you about program binary search. This is the program of binary search, and then I will input data, 10 data. Okay. Oh, okay, I forgot to tell you that binary search is used to searching one data in multiple data, and then I will input number 1 to 10. Okay, the wanted data that I want is 5, and then the output is data in index 5. Okay.